everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we're gonna make this face mask with a pattern that is hands-on. We will need a tape, some pins, some needles, some thread, some scissors, and also we'll need a thick material that is soft to be the filter, and also we will need the over material that is going to be a fabric with a pattern. For our pattern that it's gonna be the face mask, we will need to be 5 inches, but really the face part will be only 3.5, and from height will be 6 inches with 1/2 inch each side for the hems. Then cut those rectangles in the sides, and now we have our pattern. So we would like to have one part of our paper pattern and the other side be a mirror. There we have it. We cut it, and then we also cut the thick fabric the same way. We put the fabric with the pattern over the filter one and pin it, and let's sew all around. Then we fold it and sew the front of the mask from the inside part. After that, we have the seam, and we can see the pattern in the front. Then we will take a metal piece that is flexible, like a wire, and put it in the top. We will fold the hem, pin it, and then sew it. And we can see here how it works to bend and keep the mask in place. I will go back and do it again to make a cross stitch that is more graphic. Then we will have to fold the hem in the bottom and sew it too, so it's not all frayed. We're only missing the ties, so we need 2 long strands of our fabric. Put it in the side, fold it, pin it, and sew it. The strands that I took from the fabric are 20 inches of length, but it depends on the size of your head and your face. And then we have it. This is how it looks. Finally put on. It's really comfortable, and I hope you like it. I hope you try it and do it. Thank you so much. Please, if you like the video, subscribe, click the notification button, and also leave me a comment. Thank you so much. Bye.